Number 1.
1975 Ford F250, price $5,500. This is a well-maintained vintage pickup truck that has traveled 160,000 miles.
Equipped with a strong 8-cylinder 460 engine and an automatic transmission, this classic vehicle combines power and reliability.
It features a striking green exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appeal. Powered by gasoline, the truck is smog-exempt, making it an ideal choice for classic car enthusiasts. The F250 is in excellent condition for its age, with good tires and brakes, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. The truck comes with a clean title and is priced attractively for a quick sale. This is a great opportunity for serious buyers looking for a classic Ford pickup that offers both performance and character.
Number 2.
1973 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This is a classic pickup with 111,000 miles, a 350 engine, and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Its striking black exterior and orange interior make it stand out, while recent upgrades enhance its performance and reliability. The truck features a new suspension system with a 3-inch drop spindle, 2-inch drop coil springs, new front shocks, brake calipers, brakes, and tires. The rear end has been swapped with leaf springs to prevent bottoming out, and new rear shocks have been installed.
Additional improvements include new hood brackets, mirrors, and a front windshield. While the body is solid, the truck has an exhaust leak at the manifolds, though headers are included for replacement. Originally a 2-seater with bucket seats, the interior still needs attention, making it an excellent starting point for a restoration project. Number 3. 1986 Dodge W250, price $8,500. With a standout gold exterior and a mileage of 114,300. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 360 V8 engine featuring a new 4-barrel carburetor, this truck is ready to perform. Its 4x4 system is fully operational, and the truck is fitted with brand new rims and tires mounted on American racing wheels, ensuring both style and capability. While the air conditioning system needs a receiver dryer replacement due to a freon leak, the rest of the vehicle operates reliably. The driver's side window motor is non-functional, though the passenger side window works as expected. There is minor windshield rust, which has been temporarily addressed with waterproof tape. Despite these minor issues, the truck is a dependable daily driver, regularly hauling an enclosed trailer without any problems. Number 4.
1994 Ford F150, price $8,500, with just 136,000 miles on its odometer. Powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 engine, this truck runs smoothly and is highly reliable. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and is a 2-wheel drive, offering an engaging driving experience for enthusiasts. The exterior boasts its original white paint, beautifully preserved and entirely rust-free, making it a rare find in such pristine condition. Inside, the clean red interior complements the classic styling of the truck, blending nostalgia with well-kept craftsmanship. This F-150 comes with modern conveniences like an upgraded radio, adding a touch of practicality to its vintage charm. Additionally, it includes a bed liner and a toolbox, making it as functional as it is stylish. With antique plates and a clean title, it's ready for the road or to be cherished as part of a collection.
Number 5.
1977 Ford F250, price $10,000. Equipped with a manual transmission, it runs on gasoline and features a white exterior paired with a blue interior. Notable upgrades include installed electric windows and 3-point seatbelts for added convenience and safety. For audio enthusiasts, kicker subwoofers have been installed behind the bench seat, enhancing the in-cabin sound experience. The interior is rated 8.5 out of 10, with the carpet and bench showing minor signs of wear that could benefit from some improvement.
Mechanically, the truck's motor runs strong with no issues, ensuring reliable performance.
Externally, the condition is rated 5 out of 10, reflecting its use as a workhorse during a home remodeling project.
Number 6.
1978 Ford F-150, price $7,500, featuring 100,700 miles on its odometer and an automatic transmission. Its exterior is finished in a vibrant yellow, complemented by a brown interior, creating a striking vintage look. Powered by a 351-400 modified V8 engine, this truck delivers reliable performance and a distinctive exhaust note, thanks to its cherry bomb mufflers.
The vehicle retains its original paint and interior, showcasing its authenticity and well-preserved condition. To enhance comfort, carpet and seat covers have been added.
It runs smoothly, and the truck comes with a clear title,
ensuring hassle-free ownership for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 7. 1986 Dodge D150, price $6,000, with 95,000 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gold interior. Powered by a 5.2L V8 engine, it runs on gasoline and is equipped with power steering and power disc brakes. This Arizona truck has a clean title and is completely rust-free, reflecting its well-preserved condition. The paint and interior are in excellent shape for a vehicle of its age, showcasing the care it has received over the years. Recent updates include a new radiator, a new exhaust system, and fresh exhaust manifold gaskets. Additionally, the transmission has been serviced with fresh fluid, a new filter, and all seals replaced. While it runs and drives, the truck needs some minor work to be fully roadworthy. Specifically, the air conditioning system requires recharging, and some additional attention is needed to bring it to peak condition. Number 8. 1981 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500. It has been driven for 159,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. The exterior is a classic blue color, complemented by a black interior. This 2WD truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a 350 SBC engine. It features a 4-speed transmission that shifts smoothly, providing a reliable driving experience. The truck has been fitted with new BF Goodrich tires and new wheels, enhancing its overall performance and appearance. Additionally, it is equipped with a gooseneck hitch, making it suitable for towing heavy loads. While the truck runs and drives well, it does emit some smoke, which may require attention. Number 9. 1975 Ford F100, price $6,000, features an automatic transmission, an eye-catching orange exterior, and a classic black interior. Running on gasoline, this truck was previously used as a farm vehicle in Oregon. It is in good running condition, with new tires recently installed. The odometer is broken, but the truck is estimated to have fewer than 160,000 miles. It is a long bed model, providing ample cargo space. The title is clean, and the current owner has just moved to the area 2 weeks ago. They are open to trading the truck for a Ford F350 diesel. This classic truck combines reliability with a practical design and is ready for its next owner. Number 10. 1990 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $7,500. It has a well-maintained 355.7L engine paired with a manual transmission and has traveled 220,000 miles. This 4x4 truck features a bold red exterior and a clean gray interior. It runs on gasoline and provides a comfortable ride with cold air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant driving experience, especially during warmer months. The interior is in overall good condition, though the headliner will need replacement to restore its full appeal. With its solid build and reliable performance, the Silverado remains a great option for those seeking a rugged and dependable truck for both work and leisure.